Hello friends, this is Cryptonian giving an update for BTC and the greater market. We do have a preliminary small breakout on BTC on the multiple time frames. You can see here, let's take a look on the 1 hour. You can see here that we had this triangular formation. Basically what we have, it's a diamond really. It's a loose diamond, it's not anything spectacular. But nonetheless, it is kind of this diamond formation, and diamond formations are reversal patterns, especially on the bottom, and they can be found at the tops as well. But at a bottom, they're decent patterns, and so we had a little breakout here. Breakout happened at 42,375, something like that. We did have some consolidation. I was making a video at the time, and I really didn't think that this was going to break out to the upside. I mean, I was hoping it would. I thought, yeah, there's probably a good chance, but I wasn't taking it too seriously. And so I was just trying to make a video during this time. Now, it did break out, and I I took it. I got into position at 42,469, something like that. 42,500, around 500, something like that. At the break of the 200 daily moving average on the 1 hour here, nice little pop to the upside. I did take some profits, and then I'm looking to enter back in at the break of 44,000, add to some position here. And so we'll see where it goes. We have a lot of consolidation here. A lot of consolidation along the bottom side here. This is really nice consolidation pattern here. And then this, not so nice, but it did turn out on the 1 hour to look decent. On the higher time frames, it doesn't look that great. When you take a look at the 4 hour, I was saying that we didn't have a very let's see here if I can see what I'm looking at here. Sorry, please bear with me. Let's take all these lines off. There we go, and we can see what's going on a little bit better. So on the 4 hour, I was making a comment. I said this looks like it needs to come back down and make at least one more touch and kind of move up. But actually, one touch was all it really needed. We did get bullish divergence on the 4 hour. This was a good sign, and then we did have the break above the midline on the RSI. So we're currently on our way up, 43,241, and we are not positive on the volume yet. And so, but we did have a little pop of volume here on the volume bar, so that is a confirmation for a breakout. And so the initial target, 44,000, right here, right around here, 44,000 is the target, and hopefully a break of that will occur. Hopefully we'll break 44,000, and then up here at the 200 daily moving average, that would be the next target. 45,320, something like that. And then let's take a look at some fibs. Let's bring some fibs out. There we go. All right, so I'm not going to really take this little pop too seriously. I mean, it's nice, don't get me wrong. I appreciate it, and made a little bit of money on that pop, but let's see, right here we go, horizontal. But this is what I'm looking at here. This is the 44,000 or 43, yeah, 44,000 line here. If we can break that, then we're looking at 44,544 fib. We need to claim that. Whoops, let me get my marker. 44,544 fib, and then once we have that, then we're looking at the 200 daily moving average, 44,394 here. Now I'm going to have a considerable position above the pop, above the break of 44,000. Now here's the point. We're still in a downtrend, right? And we still need to test some kind of a pullback. So we need to make sure we're not pulling back, that we are breaking the 44,000. And what would be great is if we come up, come back, confirm the 44,000 off of the 200, and then break above the 200. And then now we're looking at a considerable range, right? Then we're looking at, let's see, target would then be the next Fibonacci 45,600, roughly around here. And then it starts to get difficult, because then the next breaking point would be 51,000. And I would definitely take profits at 51,000. I'd take profits along the way if I were you, because you never know. Bitcoin's still, it's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. Fridays are not the greatest. I would be expecting some type of a pullback here, and we may not even get to these higher levels. We may not even get to 51 or anything like that. So we may come back, break above the 200, and then just kind of consolidate a little bit, and then break up higher from there. That would be nice, and then that would give everyone that missed this breakout a chance to get in and then ride it up. And that would be great if we could have some kind of a solid upside reversal, right? Moving higher. So this is good news temporarily, of course. Taking a look at some of the coins that are popping, we have RMRK popping off the bottom. Moon River popping off the bottom. Very nice. Dreams 10%. Still in a downtrend. I'm not too impressed about that, but Dreams 10%. Look, you can see back here, Dreams can really run when it wants to. So this may be, for Dreams, this may be a lucrative pop. You could probably see 15, maybe 20% on this move. You just never know, depending on momentum. Atom, 11%. Atom is in this sideways consolidation, and we talked about that earlier in the previous video. There is a $44.88 area here that if this breaks, let's take a bigger look here. 44,088 cents. If this 44,088 cents breaks, wow, that's going to be nice. Wow. Yeah, you could see some profits, a lot of profits on that one. 44,000, or excuse me, not 44,000, $44.80. If that area breaks, then you're come back, confirm it, and push higher. Then you could see a breakout, and then we'll have to change the fibs to, to an extension. And if that occurs, let's change fibs to extension just to see where that point would be. There we go, extension. And so, okay, breakout of $44.80. The next fib is 1.27 at 47.98. Above that 49.67, and above that 52. All right, there you have it. This is a very nice base here, and so like I said, I would not be buying the midline here, because it could turn around at any minute, especially with Bitcoin. But possible break with volume, that could be a trade. Looking at KDA, Cadena, still in a downtrend, popping off the bottom. So you can see how Bitcoin affects the entire market. Render taking a 10% profit here off the bottom. Still, we do not have a higher low, so I would expect it to come up, reverse, come back down, put in a higher low. That would be a reverse upside down, head and shoulders bullish for another break up to. If we do that, if we set in a higher low, come back, break this $3.67, take the fib at 380, and then we would hit the 200 daily moving average right around, you know, 390 or $4. If we can break above that, then there would be a nice trade, probably back up to $4.91, or even possibly up here, you know, 550 or so. That's long term. That's, you know, like maybe over the weekend, something like that. VRA Veracity. Now here's nice setup here. Consolidation off of a higher low, pushing higher. Very, very nice. Now the target now would be 200 daily moving average right here at 3.3 cents. 3.3 cents. Neckline of the previous high, 3.5 cents. A break of that would bring us to a possible possible fib of 3.9 cents, next 4.1 cents, and then 4.4 cents would bring us back to the high before that. So that would be very, very nice. Very, very nice. CRO looking good, having another pop, still not a higher low. Now a higher low is not, you know, is not necessary if you have a market shift, and if your low is close to the previous low. So, you know, it's technically, you know, double bottom, but we do like to see the second bottom higher than the first bottom. So CRO up 9%, block up 8%, ruin up 9%. So you can see we're doing really well, friends. FTM up 8%, Matic 7%, AR 6%, near 6.7%. Looking good. So basically we have a green day market-wide breakout for Bitcoin and the altcoins. Now keep your eye on Bitcoin. You want to make sure that Bitcoin does push higher, does reach up and start pressing the bears up to the 44K price point, and it looks like we're probably gonna get there. Let's see, we're back to Bitcoin here. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see why we would not get to 44K at this point. We've got a nice double bottom here. 44K is my target here at this point, and I'd like to see a break above that. A break above that would be another trade opportunity for a return to 45,288. And there you have it, friends. So right now BTC starting to go positive on our volume oscillator, and the RSI currently is 64. We do have room to run up, but I would be careful in this area. If you're in a trade, you might want to take a little bit of profits and then wait for that break of the 44. If there's a rejection, in my opinion, you want to be out, because then we could come right back down, probably around this fib at where was that fib? 42,675. Confirm this fib at 42,675, and then have a support trend line going up like this. And then possibly we could just come back and then make another run for it as we squeeze up, put pressure on the 200 and break that. So very good. It looks like we could possibly have a small little rally on our hands. I'm not going to get too excited about this due to the fact that Fridays are not really that great. So we could have a pause in the rally on Friday, tomorrow, and then we could see the rally continue, probably on low volume over the weekend. Whereas, you know, towards the end of the weekend, we could probably have some kind of a sell-off, and then next week, possibly, we could be seeing a macro reversal on the chart. Possibly we could have something like this happening for a setup for next week, and then we could make a lot higher highs, and then we can start testing 50K. So not going to get too far ahead of ourselves here. Let's just enjoy some short-term profits and a little bit of breadcrumbs at the bottom here as we hope for a reversal, full reversal. Thank you, friends, for watching. I hope you're in profit. Good luck, and take care. Thanks for watching. Remember, first rule of trading, investing, don't lose money. Second rule, make some money.